Hey guys, this is Amy from Our Crazy RV Life. Wanted to do something a little different and probably make this a routine for when we go to new places. We went from Thousand Trails Three Flags in Wildwood, Florida to Thousand Trails Orlando in Four Corners, Florida, Clermont, Florida. And I wanted to show you the route that we took, and then next time we'll take a different route. We're only there one more time before we leave Florida. This time we took Route 44 east to Route 27 south. This route is safe for any rig, as you'll see from the video highlights of the route down. Once we get to Orlando, you will see that the park is already starting to get crowded, and in next week's video we will show you a detailed review of Thousand Trails Orlando. This time though, this video is focusing strictly on the route that we took and giving you visual highlights of why we like this route. It's a beautiful route down, it's easy, and like I said, any rig can manage it. I hope you like the video. Please comment down below what information we missed that you would like to know. And like I said, we will try to go the different route next time we go there. All right. Enjoy! Yes.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay. A little bit more, just a teeny bit more. Keep coming. Stop. Just a touch more. Back. Yep, right there.
Oops. Stop. Go ahead and pull out. I got an extra pile here to pick up.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy we go, easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden, I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river.
So you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And you're the fire, you're the flare, you're the song inside my head. And I will taste every note, feel so good when you're in my head. And it's the road I figured and the curse I've been living, the flag I'm giving, a signal. Pick me up again. Come on, pick me up love and try to make it new. You can't fight it when it feels so true. You drive me crazy like no one else. The final moment before I lose myself. And it's no use working 9 to 5 if you want more than to stay alive. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, so come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night. Stay up until the morning light, the morning light. Oh, the morning light. Oh, I just wanna be your Superman. Come fly with me, just take my.
She's always had short, but she got it really short this time.
I love the haircut.
You like that?
Yeah.
I've been thinking about letting it grow, but everybody likes it short. I think I'll leave it.
What? I don't have anything.
All right, Amy, I know you've been here before. Give this to you. Give this to you. We got one more thing. I don't know if you filled one of these out yet, but if you didn't, complete this for us. Take a few minutes while you're here at the park and fill it out. And just drop it off here. Just when you're going out. Don't
Okay.
make a special trip.
Okay.
Hey, Puppy, have a treat.
Oh, they're good. They're
Sure?
good. Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're
See you
welcome.
later.
Enjoy your stay, honey.
We will.
Thanks.
All right, so as you can see, it's an easy drive from Thousand Trails Three Flags in Wildwood to Thousand Trails Orlando. In their address is Clermont, but they are actually closer to Four Corners, Florida. When we got here, let's see, that was October 30th, the day before Halloween, 2022. And yeah, the park was getting busy, but as you can see, there were plenty of sites if you knew where to look. Also, they had not started escorting yet. So we were able to just go to the area and the site that we suspected would be open. And we were correct. Like I said, watch next week's video. We did a tour of the park on the same day, October 30th. And so you will get an idea of how full the park truly was. So that's it for this week. Have a blessed week, and we will see you next time.